This is a tutorial on how to submit your Skills Assessment number 2 in English 101. This assignment requires you to choose one of the 4 language problems discussed in Chapter 3 of our textbook and create a presentation in which you find a real-world example of the language problem and you discuss various aspects of it, including how that problem could have been avoided. In week 5, there was a tutorial explaining how to create your assignment. So at this point, you should have your presentation completed. That presentation could be a PowerPoint that you create and save to your computer, or it could be one of several cloud-based products, including PowerPoint through Office 365, or Prezi, or Google Slides, or several other methods. To submit your assignment for grading and for review by your classmates, you're going to need to go to week 6 and find the link for Skills Assessment number 2, the language problem. You're going to click on the link, and you will see that it is a discussion board, which we have done before, so it should look familiar. You're going to create a thread. And in the subject text box, you want to give a title for your project. You don't need to put your name in here, but you should identify your presentation or whatever language problem you were using. Now, to submit your presentation, you're going to follow one of 2 methods. If your presentation was created in the cloud, so that would be Office 365, Google Slides, Prezi, any one of those, then what you need to do is in the main message text box, you need to include a link to that presentation so that your instructor and your classmates can open up the presentation and view it. So for example, if you created your presentation through Google Slides, you're going to go up to the URL or address bar, and you're going to copy that link and then go back into your thread and paste it. Now, to make this a link, you are going to highlight that information and then click on the icon that says Insert or Edit Link. And what you want to do is in the link path, you want to again copy that address. You want to say open in a new window. If you don't, I believe that the discussion board thread will prompt you to do so. And if you want to, you can give it a title, but just the link is fine. And you're going to click Insert. So now you can see that this is formatted so that it is indeed a link. And then you simply will hit Submit, and your presentation has been submitted. That would work also whether it's a Prezi or Office 365, anything where you can copy the link that would open up that presentation. Again, don't forget to use the link icon to actually make that text into a link. Now, if you created your presentation using PowerPoint, which is saved in your computer, then the way that you attach your presentation is through the attachments. And you would click on Browse My Computer. You would look for that presentation wherever you saved it. So here I have let's see where I have it, online language problem, PowerPoint. Click Open, and you will see that it has been attached. and then again you would click Submit. Now again, you're only going to do one of these methods. You just have one presentation. Once you've submitted your presentation, you'll see it showing up in the discussion board. You'll see that your name is there, and I would recommend that you test it. So go into your thread, and try clicking on the link, and there you can see it, so you know that one worked. Or if you attached, you should see the attachment in that thread. Click on that, and you should also see your presentation. Now, part of what you're going to do in this assignment is to respond to at least 2 of your classmates. So the first task that you have to do is to get your presentation loaded. That is due on Wednesday, and then between Wednesday and Sunday at midnight, you need to go back into this discussion board and look at least 2 presentations by your classmates and respond to them. So to do that, of course, you'll go into their presentation. You'll have to open it and view it, but then you're going to hit Reply, where you can then type, and don't just give, hey, this was great. You know, give a 2-3 sentence response to that presentation. And once you've done that, you can click Submit, and your response will be there. Hopefully this will explain sufficiently how to complete this assignment. Of course, if you have any questions, contact me and I'll be happy to field your question or try to problem solve with you.